Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to paint this cool cone. It is one of our Paint by Line products that you can purchase on our website. The first step I'm doing is to paint the cone. I'm painting it a color called Pine Cone. Next I'm going to start to paint the ice cream, and the first color I'm using is a color called Peony. All of the paint colors I will be using today are Dixie Belle paint colors, which can be purchased on our website at buildacross.com in our paint section. This little Paint by Line ice cream cone with these cute little heart glasses can also be purchased on our website in the shape section in a category called Paint by Line. Next, I'm going to paint the top scoop of the ice cream a color called Soft Pink. And right now I'm just staying in all of the lines that are etched into the product for me and painting them the individual colors that I would like for them to be. Now we're going to paint this little bow on the top, and I'm painting it a color called Plum Crazy. And the little eyeglasses are meant to be see-through, so I'm painting them a light blue color. As I'm painting this in the video, it looks like I'm covering up the edge lines. However, in person I can still see them, so that when I get ready to do the outlining, which will be our next step, I can easily follow them. So now we're going to start the outlining process, where I'm just filling in all of the lines that are etched into the product for me. And I'm doing this by taking a detailed long brush and some slightly watered down black paint and just simply following the lines and filling them in. After I've filled in all of the lines on the inside, I'm going to take a painter's pen and I'm going to go around the entire outside edge of the ice cream cone, and this will complete the lines that we have already started on the inside of the ice cream cone. Next, we are going to go beyond the lines. This is where I like to add accents and details that were not etched into the product for me. So the first thing we're doing is taking some white paint, the color called Cotton, and our detailed brush and starting to add highlights. I'm following the lines that are already there to add these highlights. So when you're doing it, you can add as much or as little highlights as you would like. You can add them as heavy or as light as you would like. It is completely up to you. I just stick to the lines that are already there and give it a little highlight to really brighten it up and bring it to life. You can probably hear my puppy playing in the background. I apologize for all the noise he is making. Now I'm going to add some little sprinkles. I'm doing this by turning a fairly wide paintbrush over so that I've got bigger dots and just hitting a few different places with the Peony and the Plum Crazy. That was the first layer of ice cream and the bow's color. So I'm just going to create kind of a look of sprinkles here. I'm staying heavier towards the outside of the ice cream with the sprinkles, and then I'm going to go down here around the bottom and give it a few sprinkles. And after I finish off the sprinkles, I am done with a super cute little ice cream cone, and I think it turned out really cute. It was a pretty easy little thing to do. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and share, and I will see you next time.